To enhance account security, DICloak has introduced the Cookie Encryption enhancement feature. It provides an additional layer of encryption for the cookie data within your profiles, effectively preventing it from being stolen by malicious actors. Currently, this feature is available as an add-on exclusively for the Share Plus plan. Let me show you how to enable and use it. First, go to Billing in DICloak or click the button in the bottom left corner to change plan. Customers already on the Share Plus plan can purchase the add-on directly. If you are on a different plan, you'll need to change to Share Plus and then add advanced profile encryption. The cost is $50 per month for every 100 profiles. If you change the number of profiles, the encryption cost will adjust accordingly. Once configured, proceed with the payment. After successful payment, head to Profiles. For profiles created before enabling this feature, you'll need to manually turn on cookie encryption, either in bulk or for individual profiles. Once enabled successfully, you'll see a small encryption icon next to those profiles. For newly created profiles, cookie encryption will be enabled automatically. When editing an encrypted profile, no one will be able to view the cookie information. If you encounter an error during enablement, specifically one stating, "Missing cloud cookie sync permission for corresponding profiles," here's how to fix it. Edit the problematic profile and under Advanced Settings Data Sync, change the whitelist to include your own member group. Alternatively, you can make this change in the global settings, depending on whether the profile uses global or custom settings. Confirm the change, then try enabling cookie encryption again. If you wish to disable cookie encryption, you can also do so in bulk or for single profiles. This concludes the full introduction to the cookie encryption enhancement feature. If you have more questions, feel free to contact our support team. We welcome you to try out this new security feature.